The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and keeping it clean can seem daunting. To tackle spills, wipe surfaces with a multi-surface cleaner and a microfiber cloth, quickly erasing messes. Next, try using a dish soap solution to soak greasy pans while you wipe down countertops. Place a cup of vinegar in the microwave. Heat it for 3 minutes and see the grime loosen for easy wipe down afterward. Lastly, streamline your cleaning by grouping items. Put similar tools together for a swift cleanup. These shortcuts can help you shine your kitchen in minutes.